Hey everybody, what's going on? My name is Javn and welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to create widget blueprint HUD in Unreal Engine 4. So you're going to press right click, go to user interface and press widget blueprint. So we're going to rename this. Let's just do that. Rename this to HUD and wait for it and enter 2 times. So this is pretty important. So here we can see the health bar is not going to be dynamic, so we're going to be putting progress bar. For now it won't be dynamic, but we'll do it dynamic a lot time later, maybe in the next one, in the next video. So here gonna make it fully 1%, and now we're gonna adjust its color to red or green. Put the color that we want to. I can put, I think, one more, maybe let's just put that side. Let's get a text and just write plus for health. Just gonna put it there, gonna compile, and we are gonna save. Then what we're gonna do is go to your character's blueprint, go to event graph, write event begin play, create widget, add to report, and we're gonna select HUD. So wait, sorry, oh sorry, yeah, I'm gonna connect this. Boom, target. Here you can see when the match begins, our HUD will appear on our report. Compile, save this, and play. Our health bar will appear. So yep, you can put anything that you want. So I hope you liked the video and learned something new today, and hopefully seeing you all in the next one. And I'm gonna say peace out and goodbye everybody. See ya.